What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our Print Profit series with myself, Fred Lam, and Michael Shih.
Hey everyone.
Awesome. So here's the deal. If you guys watched my first video, we talked about not just the fastest way, how you can actually generate $200 to $500 per day on Shopify without dropshipping. Now, in this segment today, what we want to cover is how fast you can actually apply what Michael's about to teach you guys to generate $500 per day on Shopify without dropshipping. Now, before we actually get into that, if you guys love my videos, make sure you actually click on the subscribe button and join my notification squad. Make sure, okay, very important, that you watch all my video and leave a comment below so I can see your feedback and really communicate and engage with you guys to see if you guys love these or not. Alright, so now let's dive right in. So here's the deal. How fast is it to generate? Well, let me take a step back. For those of you that don't know what print on demand is, quickly educate people. One elevator pitch. Pitch me. What is print on demand?
So print on demand basically is selling something, and once you sell that thing, it gets printed on demand. So you don't have to carry any inventory or store anything in bulk. You just have a design file.
So printing on what?
Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can print on nowadays. For example, jewelries, leggings, sneakers. So there's a whole range of different products you can print on.
Awesome. So basically, it is printing things on an item. Usually it's like an apparel and accessories.
Yeah.
And then when a customer orders, they actually get it. And the best part is it's all automated, right? They don't have to go in and order. Because can you walk through that process real quick?
Yeah, so just real quick, you have your design file. You get it from your graphic designer, or if you're a good graphic designer, you can design it yourself. Once you have that file, you just put it into your Shopify store or your Shopify store within the partner app. And then once it's inside, you can start selling. And once you get a sale, it goes to your supplier, and your supplier will start the production process. So after the sale, you don't have to do anything because your supplier will ship out that product on your behalf. You'll get tracking. Your customer will get tracking as well.
So it's kind of like a hybrid of dropshipping.
Yes.
Because you're not obviously getting the item. The item is like not in a warehouse. You're basically selling things out of thin air because that product is not in a shelf.
Exactly. You don't have to go in with the process to order each individual products one at a time.
Okay, that's freaking awesome because I know right now all you guys are basically asking, everyone and their mother is now drop shipping, and how can I basically make money with e-commerce? Well, guess what? Here is a brand new opportunity, a new segment of e-commerce where you can actually dive in and start simply selling print-on-demand products. It can be t-shirts, sneakers,
jewelries, bags, backpack, even bedding sets.
Bedding sets. Yeah. Wow, that is crazy. So here's the question for you, okay? How fast can someone start making $500 per day with print on demand and without dropshipping?
Well, super fast. Let's take a t-shirt, for example.
Okay.
If a t-shirt, let's say you're charging around $24, $25, you only need 5 t-shirts to make $100 a day. And to get started, you need a graphic designer, and that graphic designer probably give you that design within 2 days. And if you have a store all set up prior to that, you can get your first sale after a week.
In a week. Listen, if you guys are wanting to start generating $500 a day within a week, you guys gotta definitely listen to all this and pay attention to our Print Profit series because Michael and I are just going to share with you all the knowledge you need in order for you to actually start building your very own print-on-demand company. Now, here's the question for you now, Michael.
Yeah.
So, if I were to sell a t-shirt on average $25, that means if I run the math, I suck at math. You guys all know that. I barely passed. $25 per t-shirt, and I technically need 20 sales to start generating $500 a day. And I remember in our previous segment, you were telling me that the net profit usually comes, the margin, I should say, comes around 40% all the way to 60%, depending on what supplier you use, correct, and obviously what color or how crazy you want with your design. So technically, you can literally make $200-$300 a day in profits by simply just building a print-on-demand store.
Correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, this is the opportunity that is on hand right now. So can you walk people through the process again? So what do you do? So if I'm brand new to all this, we talked about the 3-step process,
Correct.
but walk me through that 7 days. If I have only 7 days and I want to have a store up, what should I focus on in 7 days?
Right. So if you don't have a store up already, you have to get that up and running right away. And then you have to install your partner app, and that integrate into your Shopify so everything works seamlessly. And then you need to hire a graphic designer, get your designs created. That can take up to 2 to 3 days.
So day one, we're basically creating your Shopify store,
Yeah.
integrating with partners,
Right.
And doing your research.
Right.
Okay, then day 2.
Let's say day 2 and day 3,
Yeah.
you'll have to focus on research.
Okay.
And then day 4,
Yeah.
you'll have to hire your designer
Okay.
and get that graphic back from your designer.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you get it back, the rest of the time is just running traffic to your product.
So basically, you can even have a business up in like freaking 4 days if we eliminate the traffic part.
Correct, yeah.
Because all you're doing is that once you have that store up, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already have a Shopify store right now, you basically just do your research, find a designer to actually do it. Now, here's the question that I need to bring up. As you guys know, I can only draw Stickman, okay? I'm perfect at drawing Stickman, or I can play the game Hangman, but when it comes to drawing or designing, I suck. So do I need to know how to design to create print on demand?
No. All you need to do is learn how to copy paste and then tell your graphic designer what you want. But the key thing is not to copy any design. You have to be creative and tell your designers what you want and get inspirations from other designs when you're doing your research.
Ah, that is very interesting. Now, obviously, I know for a fact research is one of the most important part. And when it comes to drop shipping, we actually find the product first, then find the audience.
Correct.
But when it comes to print on demand, I remember you were telling me it was a different process.
Yes.
Can you walk me through that a little bit?
So with exactly what you said about dropshipping, you're going out to find the hottest product, and then you're targeting and finding a niche for it or your target audience for it. With print on demand, you already know your customers, and then you're designing something custom to custom fit that audience group. So you're basically using your product to target emotionally with your audiences.
Oh, wow. So it's actually reverse, which is
Right.
great. I actually like that if it's reverse. Like for me,
Right.
for us to find an audience, I think that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Like we can find unicorn lovers. We can find like sloth lovers. People love sloth nowadays. I don't know why.
Yeah.
It may be because of the Disney movie that came out. That slow sloth person doing that. I think that may be the reason why. But anyways, with that, so if I were to I should say, start diving into print on demand, what should I do right now?
So the easiest way is to opt into our training, because I put together a 10-part training for people who want to get into print on demand and learn the steps and just take action. The biggest thing is take action, and you don't have to be perfect to get started. Just implement, follow the steps, get your store up, and throughout this training series, you guys will find a better way or idea on how this whole thing works.
Awesome. So listen, guys. Michael has an entire 10-part video training series. My apology for slurring on my words. Right down below in the video description, there's a link. Click on it, put in your email address, and you can actually start diving right into it and start creating your very own print-on-demand company. So you're basically not now going to sell the same products like dropshippers. I know that a lot of dropshippers always say that, oh, this guy's copying my stuff, this guy's... You're not, because now you're creating your own design and everything.
Yes.
And you're going to share all that step by step of what to do. And you're sharing the 3-step process too, right? The design,
product,
and traffic, all inside the 10-part video training series. Again, links are right below. Make sure you register, and if you want to actually, now you're basically creating like an entire apparel company without basically having any inventory. That's where we're going at.
That's right. You just need one design and expand it into different product lines later on.
Wow. So listen, if you guys are serious about this, link below, take action, and before we finish off, I got a very important question for you. I think a lot of people are anticipating this. When it comes to dropshipping, my students and I, obviously, have been like the ones that are doing like 6-7 figures a year. We really have just that one product or a product line that really helped us hit that. Right. And in dropshipping, everyone in the world basically know that it's always that one product that will give you that ability to generate the 6-7 figure store per year. Can print on demand having one design generate 6 to 7 figure a year?
Oh, definitely. You can generate 6-7 figures plus take that same design and put it onto a different product and sell that as well. And you have a second potential to hit another 6-7 figures.
Wow. So seriously, guys, all you got to do is nail that one design up. And if you want to learn exactly how to do it, and if you're brand new to all these, it is fine. I actually took a sneak peek into Michael's Print Profits Bootcamp. It is 100% free. All you got to do is click the link below and start diving into it. He covers everything from setting up your store, finding designers, setting up products, and most importantly, running Facebook ads at the same time. So guys, again, don't wait. Scroll down below, click that link, and make sure you register right now. And on top of that, make sure, okay, right down in the video description, there is Michael's YouTube channel. He's going to actually do a lot more video training just all on print on demand. If you guys hate or basically got sick of listening to my voice and like his voice better, go see him there. And also, if you love to actually see behind the scenes, learn more about, or basically get more video training and everything, first thing you got to do, if you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, subscribe right now, okay? And also, if you have subscribed it, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I don't use Twitter because I'm only a one person doing all my social media. It's going to kill me if you guys want more video trading, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my Instagram, follow me, and also follow my Facebook page. And again, Michael and I are going to continue to host our Print Profit series to continue to actually educate, share with you guys our knowledge about print on demand so you can actually get started. Any last minute words?
Just take action. I'll see you in the next video.
Awesome. I'll see you guys then.